Coming up,
I decided to go with one of my tried and true purchases from Fendi. It's called a French press. This handbag was never on any wish list. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a Celine and Fendi unboxing. Now, it's been a while since I've unboxed anything from Fendi, and I have a Celine handbag. I'm so excited, so let's get right into it. But before we do, I'm Jamie, and on this channel, we talk about all things luxury handbags, neutrals, and elevated style. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and let's get right into it. Before we get into the luxury unboxings, I did want to let you guys know about my Lululemon outfit. I'm wearing the legacy green top with the matching bottoms, the Align leggings, and I do have a belt bag that I want to show you guys. So I did pick up a legacy green belt bag in the beautiful legacy green, but I did want to show you guys that they came out with this brown color. It's called a French press, and I just could not resist this one. I love that it's a little bit different in terms of like the hardware. You'll notice it matches the French press colorway, and it's so good. Which is a little bit different from this one. You have more of the silver hardware. I had to get it, you guys. But I just thought this was so good. So if you love the belt bags from Lululemon, which I wear year-round, take my dogs for a walk, run errands, and I think they're so good. So check it out. I'll leave a link for the color below. Without further ado, the first one is from Fendi. I decided to go with one of my tried and true purchases from Fendi. I was looking for some new shoes. And if you've been on my channel for some time, you probably know what these are. So here we are. And the Calibra heels. I love these heels. And this is an all black version. I just think they are the most comfortable, chic heels that I have. And I have a couple different pairs from Fendi in this style. I was looking for a pair of new black pumps. My old ones, they were worn out, and then I started looking online. I even was looking at some Kate, but then I kept going back to like, I'm not sure. I just go back to Fendi. You know you love them. You know, I think it's a good decision because again, it's so comfortable and it's chic. I did want to show you guys this one pair that I have. I have a couple different pairs, but they're a little bit different. This is the other colorway. So you'll notice here, for those of you that also are obsessed with Fendi's Calibra heels, this one's got more of that brown undertone, whereas the ones I just purchased are more black. And there's the brown with the navy. So sometimes I'll mix it up when I'm styling and I could get away with it, but sometimes you just need a good black pump. So these ones I thought I'll get so much use out of, and I just really sometimes just love an all chic black look, and these ones are fantastic. I think I got these from the 24S site, and I did pay full price. A lot of times these classic combinations, whether it's this one in the classic brown with the navy or the black, they tend to be full price. But I definitely think it's a great cost per use. Okay, the next one here. We have a handbag in this box. And you guys, I haven't opened it. I ordered it on the website, and we're gonna see what this bag is all about. This handbag was never on any wish list. However, it checks the box when it comes to the collector side of me. I was looking for a handbag that was in a special material, something different than my leather handbags. And of course, I am randomly scrolling on the internet and come across this special bag. I'm kind of excited because I don't know what's in here. I mean, I know what's in here, but you never know. Once you see it online, because I haven't seen this bag in person, I just bought it online. Now I want to tell you guys that when it comes to my collection, I'm at a point where I'm pretty much just looking for unique handbags in my collection, something special. Could be a special color, special shape, just something unique. You know, I'm kind of just, I have a good collection, so it's just got to be something really special that I want to add. And this one, I will tell you, I was influenced by my friend Anna on Instagram. She got the most beautiful Chanel handbag. I will probably save it at the end because it definitely inspired my purchase, but she's fantastic and I love her handbag taste. Oh, I'm so excited. I did get it from the Real, and I will have it authenticated from Real Authentication or one of those that I typically go to. This one, I was so excited. I'm so excited to see this one. It is fulfilling all of my fall, winter texture vibes, this handbag. It's really a special one, and being Celine, you know it's special because it's gonna go so much with all of my other collector handbags that I think are truly special, and it is such a vibe for the season. Oh my gosh, okay, let's see here. Here we go. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna jump for joy here. Oh my, isn't this exquisite? Oh, look at this. Oh my God, this is so special. This is fantastic. It's the cutest Celine bag from Celine. Look at this. Look at this. It's the cutest. Just the cutest pouch with all the, it's a total Jamie bag in terms of the brand. It's got the special texture, and it's, you guys know I go to a lot of dinners and whatnot with my husband, and it's so unique and I love it. I love it. I love it. My friend Anna, she got the Chanel Shirley bag from this current season. So I was totally like, I need a Shirley bag. I don't have one in my collection. Granted, I have a pony hair a couple months ago from Phoebe Philo, which is fabulous. So it's just one big hole. It's like a big pouch. But this is just fun. You guys, I love it. I don't know. I'm just kind of obsessed with a bag. This is not a practical bag. It's very like whimsical, very material. It just certainly is a bag that I will wear evenings out during this fall and winter season. I think it's so special. Let me show you up close these handles, which are fabulous. Wow. I haven't seen them in person. So you can see here up close the little Celine Paris. I love that they're metal and that they're gold. And it's just such a vibe. Fun. And it's definitely going to be a handheld kind of bag. What do you guys think? It's such a fun purchase. This is definitely something that I think checks off that box for me when it comes to those special handbags in my collection. And it goes with a lot of my Phoebe Philo, Celine, and seeing that this is from the 2022 collection, I think this is truly like more modern Celine. You guys, let me know what you guys think. I will put a mod shot so you guys can see what this looks like, but I think this is so fun for like evenings out. I mean, you could probably wear this every day as well, but I think this is so fun. I can't get over this handbag. But I'm glad you guys were able to experience it first time with me, and it's in pristine condition. I paid about $1,800 for this handbag. For me, I think that might be in tandem with a lot of my other Celine bags, whether it's Phoebe Philo, some of my pre-owned special finds as well, if I recall. But anyways, this one's my latest Celine purchase, and I'm so excited. Let me know what you guys think of this handbag. I love to hear it, as well as the shoes. Just some great finds. Okay guys, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Take care.